David Beckham. Oh mate, this place is crazy. Good morning from Miami. I'm not going to show you the room because it's an absolute mess, but I will give you a room tour later. We've got one day here before we get the Caribbean cruise tomorrow, so we're going to go and explore as much as we can around Miami. Let's go. Oh, and I also want to show you the elevator of this hotel. It's the craziest thing ever. You can open the door? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's go and see what Miami's got in store for us. Look at his little top as well. Miami Dolphins.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
You want Miami ice cream? I'm not going to lie, the hotel isn't the best, but it's in the best place. We're literally right opposite South Beach. But look at this lift. This is the weirdest lift. I'm not even joking. I mean, something like this in New York would work. It only fits 2 people. 2. It's already open, but you have to literally open a door. I'll go in. Get in the lift. Close the door. Now press this one. Quick, quick, quick. Gotta make sure your fingers don't get trapped. Alright, we're going to get you ice cream, mate. Hang on. Right, and look. You think, where the hell am I? Well, you open the door, and then here's the reception. I mean, the reception's pretty nice, to be fair. And it's a beautiful morning. You forget how hot it is when you're staying in an air-conned room for the whole night. I mean, just to show you, my glasses are steamed up just coming outside, so yeah. Where are the best coffee spots in Miami? Girls have joined us now. Hello, beautiful girls. Quick, babe, you got 8 seconds, quick. 8 seconds to cross. 2, 1. That's it. You're gonna get run over. Lorenzo's obsessed with these yellow, like water. I don't know what they're called. Things you only see in Miami as well. The dog with his arm hanging out. Unbelievable. Quick stop off at Walgreens. There we go. Celsius. Oh, he's got himself a trolley, thinking everything's free.
They're Oreo stuffed with Oreo.
Powdered donuts. This brand always has some really cool stuff. Twinkies. That's it. Don't see Cybertrucks in the UK. Look at that is crazy. To think people have this on their doorstep is crazy. What a beautiful day this is. I mean, look at this. You having fun? You want ice cream still, yeah? This beach is actually huge. Lucy's bribing Lorenzo with the donut to get a picture. I've seen it all now. He's not a dog.
Stop, sit. Sit.
Oh mate, this place is crazy.
We encourage you. We encourage, come on.
I don't know if
And
we're
with
going to win anything.
the Dolphins,
I don't know
with the
if
Dolphins shirt,
I
he's a
don't
believer.
know if we're going to win anything anytime soon.
He's a believer, that's all that matters. That's all that matters.
He picked the right team then, yeah?
Yes. It doesn't matter if they're 0-3.
No.
It's all right.
There we go.
It's okay. It's okay, thank you.
Yeah, alright.
Especially because we know you guys chose it.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, there you go.
Awesome.
Go on then. Yeah. Thank you. You too, thank you, take care. So real quickly, I just want to show you guys, I mean everything is so clean here. That's one thing that surprised me about this place. Also, look, poo bags. Like, why don't we have this in this country? Like there's just not one thing dirty about this place. Everything is clean, no littering. The beaches, have got loads of bins, hundreds of bins. Parks, beach ball courts, everything. But yeah, Lorenzo's just playing in he's spotted the park, so he's going to be playing here for a bit. And then I think we're going to try and get a boat tour in. You found a park? People playing volleyball, everyone's working out, running. Also, a lot of these restaurants that are around here, they're like organic restaurants, so they sell like healthy, organic stuff. I still haven't seen an obese person either. Other than us, yeah. Other than us, we're the obese ones here. Which is weird because you associate America with obesity, but here it's different. I feel like here a lot of people just look after themselves. Also, have you ever heard the saying, you've got more chance of dying from a coconut falling on your head than like dying in a plane crash or something? Well, now I see why, because they're literally just up there. I mean, they've been removed specifically because they can literally land on people, but I've seen them on the floor lying around and they are heavy. I mean, if that drops on your head, you're going to get either brain damage or even worse. Stop off at a place called Leslie. High five. Well, this is bougie, isn't it? All these buildings are like all so colourful. What a good view. His ice cream is finally coming. What have you ordered?
Just got So.
At first I thought these were plant pots. I'm not gonna like candle pots, but they're actually for your cup. Thank you. Whoa, look. Whoa.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Slowly. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Avocado. Mmm. Oh my god. Wow. No, you have. I promise.
No, I don't like it.
I swear down.
Like,
Please. That was unbelievable. If you guys ever come to Miami, it's called Leslie. It's right opposite South Beach as well. Just parked up at Bayside. We've got like half an hour until the boat tour. Apparently it goes to so many celebrities' mansions as well, like David Beckham and all that. And we're also going to the design district after. Let's do it. Oh, look at that. Parrots. Crazy. That's mad. Look at the size of them. It's crazy. Right, we're getting the boat down here. Oh my days. As you can see, everyone's selling boat tours here. We've already paid online, which is the best way to do it to get the cheapest prices. Hey, we boarded the boat. Renzo. Wow, look at these. Look at how the rich live it up.
Now this mansion belongs to the famous Chinese actor and comedian Jackie Chan.
Wow, that great mansion there, Jackie Chan's.
Now this mansion belongs to the famous retired boxer Floyd
Mayweather. Wow, Floyd Mayweather's mansion. It's the new icon of the seas. The world's biggest cruise ship right there.
Did he do it? Did he not? P. Diddy. It is not this one here with the arches. It is the one behind all the trees. That's why he gets in trouble. He's got way too much privacy. The famous actress and singer J-Lo. Aquí vive Jennifer Lopez.
Jennifer Lopez.
Now, they put together $99 million and 3 whole properties to make this one mansion.
$99 million.
And these palms that you guys see here closest to the water, they were imported from South Africa at a price of $10,000 each. You're definitely going to recognize him by his product. And I just noticed, but that is actually him right there. He is 89 and he lives here alone with his wife. He has no kids.
He's there.
His name is Philip Frost. Now he is the man responsible for creating that little blue pill that makes men heroes. The Viagra, la Viagra. Will Smith.
Will Smith.
Will Smith. The man who brought Messi to
There he is.
Miami.
David
Aquí
Beckham.
vive el hombre que trajo Messi a Miami.
Wow.
Sir David Beckham.
What did you think of that boat tour?
yeah, it was really, really good.
This is a McDonald's stand showing their lemonade.
Really good.
Showing their lemonade thing. And it's free as well. How cool is that? I've never seen anything like it. They're giving you free lemonades. There's actual lemons there. Those proper fresh lemonades. Just gonna get something to eat now. Then we're gonna go to the designer outlet. Stopped off at this place. Oh, look at these pizzas. Does it look nice? Does it look yummy? Yeah, it looks yummy, doesn't it? So this is actually one slice, so we asked to cut it into 2 to share it. But this whole thing is one slice.
Just literally, I had to get a lemonade for Lorenzo because he doesn't like fizzy drinks or water. I don't eat ice creams. Yeah, that's mummy's. This lemonade here is $10. Are you going to leave me any pizza? Because I haven't had any yet, and you've ate that whole lot. And we've got some Dippin' Dots as well.
Here we are at the designer outlet and we're in disbelief. Every designer brand you can think of. Supercars everywhere. There's brands everywhere. What do you think of this place? Hot. There's security there. That guy, that security guard, he's here for someone famous. There's 2 of them that are going around. Just to show you guys how crazy this is. Lamborghini there. Lamborghini Huracan here. Look at that. And it's a cool place to come see, even though we definitely haven't got the money to be spending on in these shops. Everyone's walking around with Louis Vuitton bag. I mean, as you can see. And we've ended our day at South Beach, where we're currently in a storm right now. Lorenza, do you want to say bye? We're going to end the vlog here, I think. Now we're off to the Bahamas and the Caribbean. We've still got a whole holiday to do. We lied, it's not finished yet. We've come to this place, Red Head Burger. And you can also pay in Great British Pounds as well. How mad is that? Right, do you want to unveil the grand finale? The grand finale here. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Proper smash burger in there. Free refill as well, £13. We're so tired, it's been a long drive. I'm gonna end it here. And be sure to tune in to the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.